What's up, fam? Okay, so we are going to start a patio garden, like edible foods and shit like that. So we're at Lowe's.
I see some tomato plants.
We're at Lowe's and we're gonna go look around and probably pick up some seeds and some little shit, maybe, possibly. So come on with us on this journey of learning to garden and grow our own food and be sustainable on our own without having to go to the grocery store. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Y'all ready? Let's go.
This shit feels like teenage fever.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
I'm not scared of it, she ain't either.
We have gotten our first plant. It is aloe vera. It has medicinal uses, but you guys know that because it's aloe. Are we naming our plants?
Yes.
What do you want to name this one? Allie. Allie the aloe. Alright, so I got my little aloe, right? Got my pot. And I settled for this potting mix that is Kellogg's. It's organic plus moisture holding, premium mix for outdoor containers, and this is considered an outdoor container. So I'm going to order some other like containers online, but we about to pot this. We didn't go get like shovels and all that because why? Not for one plant. When we get the rest of our plants, we'll have that. Already pretty moist. I was watching a few videos, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. So I filled it up to about this level. Take this down out, right? Pop it out and look at that. You see what are those called?
The roots.
Yeah, what do roots do?
They make food. Yeah.
So we're going to set this inside, right?
I washed my hands.
You washed your hands before you got them dirty?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta take some more soil out. Can you hold this? Thank you. We're gonna take some more of this soil out because it's too much.
I like getting dirty. It's fun.
Yeah, because you're a dirty little boy. Okay, put it in there. We're going to put it in there, right? And then what are we going to do next? We're going to put some more soil in here.
I put more soil.
Come help me. What's funny is he went inside to go ask where his shovels at that he been playing with. Our little aloe is going to grow pretty big, so this is not going to be the first time we repot
That's
this.
my shovel, guys.
Okay, so we need you to get some dirt and put it all around. Right? Put it all around. And there is our packed aloe plant. Now, Brayden.
Yes.
What do we do next?
We water it.
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna get a cup.
Go do that.
And pour some water in.
So I'm gonna pat these little areas down. Expose the areas I accidentally put dirt in. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. So I'm just gonna pack it in, back in. And this thing has a little plug. We're gonna take that out because I want this to drain. So it's already starting to drain, so we're not gonna overwater it. So we're gonna leave this be. It's been watered for the day. So far we have our first plant in our garden, so I hope you guys are along for this little perfect journey.
I'm gonna check on it every single day.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we have to do.
And it'll grow. When we see it grow, we're gonna see it grow.
Alright, guys.
Big.
Checking out. That's our plant. That's our new plant.
Bye-bye.
This shit feels like teenage fever.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
I'm not scared of it, she ain't either.